Hi everyone there, welcome to the first video of this year. In this first video, we're going to analyze the difference between subject pronouns and possessive adjectives. Let's focus first of all on subject pronouns. As the word pronoun itself suggests, a pronoun takes the place of a noun. In this case, a pronoun replaces the subject of a sentence. The subject of a sentence is the person or thing that performs the action of the verb. Here we've got an example. Ed Sheeran is a singer, and Ed Sheeran is English. The subject here is Ed Sheeran, okay? This is the person who is a singer, and Ed Sheeran is the person who is English. But saying the word Ed Sheeran twice is quite repetitive and does not sound natural. So we replace the word Ed Sheeran on the second part of the sentence by the pronoun he that corresponds to the third person singular masculine. So we don't repeat again the word Ed Sheeran, and this sounds quite natural. There are 6 subject pronouns, and you've got them here in some examples. The first one is I. I usually listen to music on the radio. Do you know her parents? He, she, it lives near Mieres. We go to the gym twice a week. You can come with us if you want. And finally, the third person plural, they, don't want to come with us because they don't like sports. You've got the subject pronouns here in green. Okay, these are subject pronouns because they perform the action of the verb. On the other hand, we've got possessive adjectives. Possessive adjectives are used to show possession or ownership of something. The possessive adjectives in English are as follows here. You've got them in green, okay? Each one corresponding to one of the pronouns, subject pronouns we have already seen. The possessive adjective needs to agree with the possessor, but not with the thing that we possess. Here you've got some example. My brother lives in Paris. It means that it's my brother. It's my brother. It's me who have a brother. In the second example, your brother is his friend. It means that it's your brother, not my brother, who is his friend. His girlfriend, it means that it's the friend of my brother. So he, possessive his. Her name is Paula, and it corresponds to the girl because it's my brother's girlfriend. We're talking about a girlfriend, she. So the possessive adjective corresponding to she is her. Our parents corresponds to the subject pronouns we, our parents. I will give them your email, this is the adjective, corresponding to you. And finally, their jobs is the possessive adjectives corresponding to they. But the most important thing here is to distinguish between pronouns and adjectives. As you can see here, possessive adjectives are always followed by the thing we possess. Okay? Here is an example. It says my brother. It goes together with the thing that we possess. A brother. Your brother, his girlfriend, our parents. Okay? Or email address. Adjectives are always followed by the thing we possess. On the other hand, if we talk about subject pronouns, they are followed by a verb because the subject goes before the verb. We're talking about the person that carries out the action of the verb. Okay, so for example, here we've got he or she lives near Mieres, we go to the gym, we can't come, we don't want, but there's no other noun following the pronoun. So these are the main difference between subject pronouns and possessive adjectives. I hope this short video has helped you, and if you have any doubt, please just let me know. Okay? See you soon. Bye.